So we are at Printing United at the Procolored booth. This is their big printer. You can also add on the shaker oven combo, and it does all the work for you. The latest printer in their series is the K13 series.
We are here for a celebration of Procolored's creativity, technology, and the community we've built together. A huge success for Procolored this year, by the way, in 2025.
My name is Jorge Santiago. I got a P13. These printers are super durable. Their print quality is amazing. Once you print it and you heat press it, it'll hold a lot of watches. It won't crack. It won't peel off. It's a good brand. Get a Procolored.
My name is Vanessa. I am from Artsy Zela. I have the brand new Procolored K13 Lite. I ordered it in the pink color. I'm super excited about this new machine. I have little kids. I'm very excited to make shirts for them, for school, for my family. When I saw that the quality of the printing was amazing, I said I have to jump right into it.